In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Zoom meeting link. Whether you're planning a virtual get-together, a business meeting, or an educational session, the ability to share your Zoom meeting link is crucial in ensuring that everyone can join your meeting seamlessly. So let's dive right into it. First things first, we'll start by opening your browser and heading over to the Zoom website. Once there, you're going to need to sign in to your Zoom account. You'll see the Sign In button right on the homepage. Go ahead and click on that. After clicking Sign In, you'll have the option to log in using different methods. For simplicity, and if your Zoom account is linked to it, you might want to use the Google Sign-In option. Click on Google, and you'll be prompted to select your Google account. Choose the account linked to your Zoom by clicking on it. Now that you're logged into your Zoom account, you'll find yourself on the Zoom dashboard. From here, direct your attention to the left side of the screen where you'll see a menu with different options. We're interested in the Meetings tab, so go ahead and click on Meetings. This section is incredibly versatile. Not only does it let you view all your scheduled meetings, but it also provides you the tools needed to share your meeting links effortlessly. There are generally two ways to obtain your meeting link. You can either get it from a live meeting or directly from this tab, allowing you to share it even before the meeting kicks off. Let's proceed by exploring the scheduled meetings. Within the Meetings tab, you'll find a list of your upcoming meetings. Locate the meeting you wish to share and click on My Meeting. This will bring up detailed information about the selected meeting. Here's where the magic happens. On this page, look for an option labeled Copy Invitation, which is designed to streamline the process of sharing your meeting details. Click on this button, and what that does is it opens up a page that shows the full meeting invitation. Within the invitation, you'll find crucial information such as the meeting ID, password, and the direct URL to the meeting. This complete set of information ensures that your participants have all that they need to join the meeting without a hitch. You can easily copy this invitation and share it with your attendees via email, chat, or any other communication channel you prefer. That's all there is to it. By following these straightforward steps, you can effortlessly share your Zoom meeting link, ensuring your meeting is set up for success. Happy Zooming, and see you in the next video.